Hi, my name is Vikram. I'm one of the co-authors on the book. So we want to talk a little bit about where the technical foundations for this book came about. About a year ago, I wrote another textbook called Blockchain-Enabled Applications. And in that book, we wanted to cover use cases, but just as a matter of scope, we couldn't fit in everything we wanted. And a lot of these very exciting, interesting technical use cases we had to leave out at the time. It just became a natural progression that at this point we included them in our new book. I'm actually a third-year medical student right now, a former developer from the Institute of Simulation and Training. So I was one of the many people that just outright dismissed the blockchain. I didn't think it would scale. I never thought it would be as big as it is today, and certainly not in the short time that it's taken for blockchain to become such a valuable technology. Initially when I read the papers and the white papers, I thought the technology was there. I thought something interesting was going on, but at best it would just be an academic exercise. I didn't imagine it would become what it has become today, especially given how many use cases are coming out every single day. So I've been a programmer for a couple of years now. I worked in Dr. David Metcalf's lab, and I did some prototyping for blockchains. We would build our own in-house almost toys to play with. And once they got serious enough, we decided we should pursue this properly as an academic exercise.
So what did you write about in the book, and why was that topic, whichever you chose to write about, important for you to discuss?
At the time when I was writing, there was some discussion about blockchain powering nearly every industry. And I wasn't sure what that actually meant. I didn't think blockchain would suit every single industry that's out there, because there are applications that are designed that suit very well to the blockchain structure, financial technology being the prime example. But something like healthcare, it isn't obvious to me, even now, how blockchain could completely come in and replace what classically has been a monolithic architecture. But over time, I started really out of curiosity to put these things together as a guide for myself, where I thought what applications can really be powered by the blockchain. And just as the title of my last work suggests, blockchain-enabled applications. At the time, I just started to write about where I thought blockchain could have an effect and impact here and now. We need a stable global language, so to speak, that we can talk in and write code and have discussions, have productive discussions, where we're not too worried about every little bit of the blockchain. The under the hood stuff should be solved and is being solved in a way that we can start to just focus on higher level problem solving, where all the baseline, the really under the hood stuff is available to you through an API, through functions, through some sort of a sophisticated programming language. So one of the things I'm very interested in 2019 is more industry partners stepping in to take an active role in blockchain development. In any kind of an open source environment, where the real benefits come when large organizations that have funding, development, support, they come in and start to have a major role in the development. That can really, really progress the field in a very serious way. So I was just actually today talking to some folks from the CDC who are interested in blockchain-based solutions. That's a major organization that could come in one day and have very serious healthcare impact. So I think it's really important that at some point our readers have a functional understanding of when to and when not to use the blockchain. The blockchain as it stands today is not applicable to every industry, nor should it be. The blockchain, like any other tool, will work very well when you tend it to things that it's suited for. We would really like the readers to get out of this book, when can you actually use a blockchain and benefit from it?